In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary email on the Bank of America app. This process is straightforward and ensures you receive all your bank communications at your preferred email address. Let's get started, shall we? First, grab your mobile device and open the Bank of America app. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you'll need to sign in using your existing username and password. Remember, this information is critical for accessing your account, so keep it secure and away from prying eyes. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and you should see the familiar three-line icon, often referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a navigation menu that offers various options to help you manage your account efficiently. Now, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option labeled Profile and Settings. Tapping on this allows you to manage numerous account preferences, so this is where we need to head next. Once you're in Profile and Settings, look for Personal Information. It's in this section where you'll be able to view and modify your registered contact details, including your email addresses. Locate the email addresses option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of the email addresses currently associated with your account, with the primary one being the most critical as it's the one Bank of America uses to communicate important updates to you. To change this, tap on Edit next to your primary email address. You'll then have the ability to enter a new email address. Take your time to type in the correct email address to avoid any mishaps or miscommunications. Once your new email address is entered correctly, proceed by tapping Save. This action prompts a verification email to be sent to your new address. It's essential to navigate to your email inbox and find this verification email to confirm the change. Simply follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update of your primary email in the Bank of America app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that you receive all communications from your bank at the email address of your choice. This not only keeps you informed, but also adds a layer of personal convenience to managing your finances. If this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.